Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing this channel to stay updated on each new book coming to this world. In case you like and want to buy this book, the link is given in the description below. Now enjoy the summary. In The Voice of Knowledge, Miguel Ruiz reminds us of a profound and simple truth: the only way to end our emotional suffering and restore our joy of living is to stop believing in lies, mainly about ourselves. Based on ancient Toltec wisdom, this breakthrough book shows us how to recover our faith in the truth and return to our own common sense. Ruiz changes the way we perceive ourselves, and the way we perceive other people. Then he opens the door to a reality that we once perceived when we were 1 and 2 years old, a reality of truth, love, and joy. Another gem from my treasure chest of books. Real clarity on the 4 agreements, in ways that are so perfect. I'm blessed to have been able to read this series of books. I think it is the ultimate on wisdom and will be a factor in the authentic life that I am having, so I can be happy without needing a reason to be. I want my beloveds to read this book. I hope to plant the seeds in my family because life is too amazing to be anything but unhappy. This is not a self-help book, and yet, it is a true tool for living.